city of industry.
I really can't praise Tesla's autopilot enough. I feel like it removes almost all of the stress out of being stuck in traffic, as the car basically drives and maneuvers through traffic for you. It even has the capabilities to set how far of a distance you want to maintain between your car and the car in front of you. But that doesn't mean you get to go to sleep though, because occasionally it will make you put some pressure on the steering wheel or flick the volume up or down on your music to make sure that you're still awake and not completely falling asleep like some people out there. Angel Stadium. So the restaurant we're going today is called The Thirsty Cow. It's an all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue place, which is honestly one of my favorite kind of places. It was recommended and discovered by my girlfriend, as always. She's the one who always discovers the good food places featured on my channel. If you love content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. I do Tesla and food videos, and in the future, I plan to do some light vlogging as well. Now back to the video. The restaurant is located in City of Industry, California. They open for dinner dining at 5 p.m. Make sure to try to get there as early as you can because they have a huge line by like 5:05. I didn't believe it when my girlfriend told me that you have to be there early or else there's going to be a wait time of probably 2 hours or more. I really like the wall of soju bottles they had on the wall as decor. We walked in at around 5:10 and it was already crowded and put our names down on the waiting list. They said the wait time at that time would be around 40 something minutes, so we decided to go and do some Costco shopping, conveniently located in the same plaza as the restaurant. Doesn't get better than the California sunset. I have to admit, the Costco here has some pretty different things that my local Costco doesn't, and I just love exploring Costco. The restaurant actually texted us to let us know that it will be our turn, so we wrapped up our light Costco shopping. They really weren't kidding about that 2-hour wait time. It's way too loud to record anything in here. I can barely hear myself talking here. There's so many people. Talk to you later. The meat quality here was exceptional. We ordered their premium menu, which is $45 a person. Needless to say, we ordered the most expensive stuff non-stop to try to get our money back. Thanks. Where did I get it? Adidas?
No shit, Sherlock.
What?
The best tasting here to me was the beef tongue and the hand-cut short rib. The dry-aged New York steak was great too, but unfortunately we were only able to order it once because our party was so obsessed with the beef tongue and the hand-cut short rib. Obviously, the marinated version of the hand-cut short rib towards the end that we ordered was even more bomb than the non-marinated version. Pro tip, always order the marinated last and always order the non-marinated first. One other side note about the restaurant is actually very strict on the amount of meat that you can order. You're only allowed to order 3 plates of meat or orders no matter how many people in your party. In our party that night, we had 5. We found that the 3 plates that they were allowed us to order was nowhere near as much as we would like, and we kept having to track our waiter down to get more order of meats in. I will give the restaurant credit though, as the service was actually very good and they were very quick in doing grill changes and also getting our meats in and our orders in on time. They also had some delicious tiger shrimp that were very flavorful, although very small.
That's what she said.
One of the surprising things that we ordered towards the end was also the slices of cinnamon pineapple. Everyone at our party was a huge fan of those, and we all regretted that unfortunately our time ran out and we were not able to order any more meats or anything on the menu. We stayed there for probably over 2 hours and the restaurant finally kicked us out. Not exactly really kicked us out, but you get the picture. To top it all off, after the meal they gave us each a popsicle, and it wasn't the cheap stuff either. They weren't too artificially sweetened and they even had fruit inside. That's some quality stuff. After finishing up at the restaurant, we went to their local tea place named Tenju Tea House. They had some great tasting tea drinks that they were very well worth coming here for. It's one of my favorite places to visit when I come to this area. After a long day of driving and dinner, the Tesla can finally take us home on autopilot as we try to recover from our food comas. I'll throw a link in the description and a card in the video to the playlist of some other shorts and other food and drink places we've been to. And with that being said, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is David here, signing out. Peace.